Hi guys, I'm going to do the measurement part of my measurement and money page in my blueprints. So I divided the page, after I wrote measurement and money, I divided it up into 3 sections. The top section is for measurement, and then the bottom 2 sections are for money. This is the cost it's going to be to create a Germa scanner and the price for a Germa scanner. And we're going to complete these 2 sections next week. For now, we're going to focus on the measurement section. I made a scale here, and I used my ruler to say 1 inch equals 5 feet. So every time I draw an inch here, that equals 5 feet. So I've started by drawing the outer part of my Germa scanner, and that's the red arc of the rainbow. So I'm going to draw all 7 colors of the rainbow. So every page you're going to have the rendering of your invention again and again and again, and you're going to show all of these different details, like this one is measurement. So now I have the orange section of the rainbow, right? A song I really like to remember all 7 colors of the rainbow, because there are actually 7, right? Is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. These are the colors of the rainbow. So far I have red and orange, 2 colors. Next, I'm going to do our yellow arc. I'm going to follow along the orange arc. Something else that's really interesting when you talk about rainbows is, look, so the yellow and the red mix to make orange. Yellow and red are the primary colors, and they make the secondary color of orange. So I'm going to color in the yellow so the red and the yellow can mix and make orange in the middle. So now we have 1 red, 2 orange, and now we need the next color. So next we're going to add green. Here's the green arc in our rainbow. We're going to make an outline of green, and then we're going to grab a green crayon and color in that outline. I like to do this because it's a nice way to make the crayons really bright and give you an outline to color in. Because it's fun to color things in. It's good for your brain. It makes you feel calm. That's why coloring books are so much fun. Okay, so we have red, orange, yellow, green. Now we need blue. So this is blue, and this is indigo. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. These are the colors of the rainbow. So I have blue next. And the 2 blue crayons that are right above, they look like they're the same, but this color blue is actually a lighter blue than the indigo, right? So we have blue, red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Okay, so now I have the blue, and now I made the indigo outline, and you can see that this crown is a darker blue. Indigo is a dark blue, and blue in the rainbow is a lighter blue. So we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo. Roy G. Bitt. Now we need violet. Okay, now we have our last color of the rainbow, violet. I'm coloring in the violet arc that I made with the Sharpie. And we have our complete rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. These are the colors of the rainbow. Awesome. So now underneath the rainbow, because that's just a decoration, we're gonna do this UV light germ detector. So UV lights are like purpley blue. So I'm using this really light blue. And then I'm gonna use purple over it, and it's gonna make it look like a UV light. So it's like a dark, kind of crazy purpley blue. And we're just gonna kind of outline. It's okay if it doesn't cover all the blue. We don't want it to. We want it to look like a UV light. And then I'm gonna grab some purple and blue crayons, this electric purple, and I'm gonna color, and then I'm gonna overlap it with some blue and make it look like a UV light. Cool. So, a little bit more purple in there. Okay, so now that's the UV light germ detector. So I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna measure from the top of the germ scanner. I'm gonna draw a line with my black Sharpie and then go all the way down to the bottom of my germo scanner. And I'm measuring that that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches. So 5 inches, 5 inches tall. And then let's measure this inside arc. Let's see. So we have here to here. It's about 2 inches. Let's see. 2 inches. So that's 2 inches right there. My 2 is a little wonky because I did it upside down, but 2 inches. We'll make it a beautiful oops too, right? You can kind of tweak it, as we say. Remember, we used to say that a lot at the teacher table. Tweak it if it's not quite right. Tweak it. Okay, so we have a 5 inches tall. The arc is 2 inches tall. And then let's measure how wide it is. So let's measure from this side of the red. And we'll draw a line. Make sure we don't get in the way of our wonky 2 there. Whoops, and my ruler was slanted. And then we'll go over to here. And this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 inches. So this, I'm gonna just make an arrow so I don't go into the 9 inches. So we look at our scales, and since 1 inch equals 5 feet, Mom and Dad can help you figure this out. The Germa scanner is 25 feet tall, that means. And this is like a code to tell us how big it is in real life from what we're drawing on the paper. The arc is 2 inches tall, and that means it's 10 feet high, so people can walk through it. And it's 9 inches wide, so that means it's 45 feet wide. So it's a nice big entrance with that rainbow decoration, so everybody can walk through something happy, and then they can get scanned to make sure that they're healthy. Okay guys, so this is the measurement portion of your measurement and money page. You guys try to do the same thing. So draw an example of your invention, and then you're going to measure it, and you're going to make a scale to try to say it's only this big on the paper, but 1 inch on my paper equals 5 feet in real life, or 10 feet, or 100 feet if it's really big in real life. Okay guys, so you take care of your measurement part of your measurement and money page, and we'll be back. See you soon.